Are you looking forward to minimize YouTube on iPhone? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process. So without any further delay, let's get started. First thing first, you need to head over to your application YouTube. Once you're inside the app, search for any of the video that you want to see by minimizing the YouTube. Let's say I want to watch this video. Click on it. Once you're inside the video, now if you want to minimize it, then all you gotta do is swipe the screen from the bottom of the screen, exactly how you close the application. And there you can see that the screen has been minimized. Now you can click on this play icon and watch the video. Also, if you want to listen to the music, then you can hide the screen as well by dragging the screen to the left. And there you go, the screen is hidden now. So this is simply how you can minimize YouTube on iPhone. Likewise, you can watch any of the video you want to, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.